This is an extract from our AHK Hero Club. We have calls 3 times a week. Please like the video if you learned something.
That's what I've been reading.
Oh, actually, Irfan, did you apply did you use the Peacock VS Code extension yet?
No, I haven't used it, but whenever I open your repository, that theme is applied to my VS Code.
Well, share your screen, and Ray, I don't know if you still here, Ray? I don't. Here you are. Yeah. Um, this was so awesome. I don't know if you saw that Peacock extension for VS Code, but yeah, I gave a screenshot and link to it. But Irfan, share your screen, and then let's show how it can yeah. So
So this is the Peacock extension, and you can have like you can set different colors to your different project. So if you are working on multiple projects,
good.
so
yeah.
you will know with the color. So so you would know with the color that which projects you are like dealing with. So with multiple like window for me, like they are all same, but I have no issue identifying them. But let me see. Yeah. So you can see both are dark, but after applying that, and I remember I opened a project and that color was applied for me because Joe was using a color for his project, and that theme got applied to my version. So what we are doing is we are sharing the whole the Dropbox file. So whenever there is a project available in there, so .vs code has the settings in there in this settings
Oh,
file.
interesting.
They apply the colors in there, and that applied to me. So
So
what is Peacock doing is like apply settings here.
so to your point, Irfan, we could easily write an AHK script that would do the same thing, right? Like we don't even
Yes,
because it's so simple. But
yes.
I
So
was using it,
how
and
do
it
you
was
use this? Uh, how do you use the Peacock
so.
code?
Yeah, Irfan, why don't you show if you want, if you don't care, install it real quick, and then
Okay.
you type I forget what you type after you have to install it and then shut down VS Code and restart it.
Yeah, I have to restart my VS Code then. So
But this is
so
another one. I just sat there with Claude the Code extension because it could see. Actually, I don't remember if I was using Claude Code inside VS Code or if it was the Chrome extension, but it walked me through how to use it, how to set it up.
so open extension, install and reload. Okay, so I reloaded it, and
Type
then
Peacock, and then there's the change to a favorite color.
so press F1 to open command palette, and then choose Peacock. Okay, so Peacock, and then
Change to a favorite color. See it about the sixth one down.
yeah, add a favorite recommended color. 6 down.
Well, up one.
Color to green.
No, yeah, we'll go up one. That's the one that I think it on average.
Oh, uh,
Oh,
And then if you
so
had another window, you can pick a different color, right? But this really helped me because it's so easy to get mixed up in which one you're in and work on ask the wrong question to the AI that you're on.
yeah.
so that's a color for VS Code,
Yeah, the wrapper kind of, so to speak.
but it won't be a color for each terminal. Because right now what I'm doing is working in VS Code and opening multiple terminals because Claude explained to me that that was less demand on my operating system.
Okay, well, you'll have to figure that one out.
Okay.
Ask
So
AI. It's what I did, right? Ask it, how can I, actually now in the regular Windows terminal, you can use different colors, right? Maybe that's something you can do in Claude Code in the different instances of Claude Code. So just ask AI, tell it the problem. That's what I did. I said, this is driving me nuts. I'm getting confused in which one I'm in. How do I do this? And it said, hey, there's this Peacock extension for VS Code. And it was a perfect fit for what I was trying to do. Tap into over 466 plus hours of AHK video gold, including fresh clips like this, for anytime learning that fits your schedule. Grab 25% off all our AHK goodies, courses, scripts, and custom work so you save cash while building your toolkit like a boss.